Before using the tool, please check out the current list of known issues and limitations. You can find it on ae-transfer.com. This is the composition with the video footage, in which you want to track camera and export it in 3ds Max. Let's apply 3D camera tracker to the layer. After the tracking process, select the track points on the ground, click the right mouse button and choose Set Ground Plane and Origin, so the ground layer will be created at 0 position with proper orientation. After that, click the right mouse button again and choose Create Solid and Camera. Before using the tool in After Effects, you need to make sure the checkbox Allow scripts to write files and access network is enabled. In 2019 and newer versions, you can find it in Edit, Preferences, Scripting and Expressions section. In 2018 and older versions, it is in General section. Next, before running the script, you need to make active the composition you want to export. It means that its timeline should be opened, and the timeline or comp viewer window should have a blue border. Now go to File, Scripts menu and run a transfer script. You can specify which layers you want to export and set the export range. If you need to export hidden layers too, you need to enable Include Hidden Layers checkbox. Now click on the Export button and save the Max script file. Switch to 3ds Max and run that file. You can run it from Scripting Run Script menu or drag and drop it to 3ds Max window. In the opened window, you can set the global scale multiplier. It works similarly to the same parameter in 3ds Max script, making all objects and distances bigger or smaller. The Place in a Separate Layer checkbox allows you to create a new 3ds Max layer and place all imported objects in it. Click on Create button and the objects will be created. If the size of the objects is unsuitable, you can press Ctrl Z, then run the script again and increase the global scale parameter. Unlike exporting to After Effects, all parent links of 3D layers are rebuilt in 3ds Max, so all parent 3D layers include hidden will be also exported from After Effects with selected ones. In this example, the camera is linked to the null object layer. Let's export these two shape layers and the camera without the null. As you can see, the null object was exported too. It has the animation keyframes and the camera is linked to it. All 3D layers, cameras and light layers except ambient can be exported from After Effects to 3ds Max using a transfer script. When exporting one node camera, a standard free camera will be created in 3ds Max. When exporting two node camera, a standard target camera will be created. Please note that in version 2.0, the export of a two node camera parented to another layer is not supported. Please check out the known issues list for information about the current version. When exporting solid, composition, any footage or rectangle shape layer with size property, a standard plane object will be created. Its size will depend on the resolution of the layer and the global scale value. When exporting null, text or any other shape layer except a rectangle, a standard point helper object will be created. When exporting spot, point or parallel light from After Effects, a standard target spot, omni or target directional light will be created in 3ds Max respectively.